This is a cry for help hidden in a YouTube video. Hello everybody, welcome to our kitchen. Hope you are well. Welcome to the future of the channel right here as well, because as this year and times progress and we evolve, I will slowly dilute down and I will allow my young and some of my friends and some new characters to blossom onto this channel.
Get it!
I'm not going anywhere just yet, but the future is very exciting indeed. Anyhow, hope you're well. Today we're doing 3 surprising, can you do a surprising face please, Mrs. B? We didn't even rehearse that, amazing. Mug cake recipes that I've been sent in. One of them looks amazing and so simple. The other one is supposed to take a little bit of time, and the third one, potentially, if we don't put it in the fridge, tastes horrendous. So we're gonna get that one out the way first.
That's good stuff.
Who wants to do that one? Who wants to do it first? All right.
Okay.
Give me 5. Chloe, you're up. The first one, a baked, microwaved cheesecake in a mug.
Okay.
Surprise face. 1 tablespoon of butter. She used a spoon measurer thing, and can you put that in the microwave and blast it, like literally 10-second blast, all right? Because butter goes really melty really quick and then it can splatter, all right?
I know, I've done cookies loads of times.
I reckon another 10 seconds, mate, okay?
Well, I'm going to go for 5.
Who's in charge here, right?
Knew it would only take 5.
So for the crust of a cheesecake, you want it standard, normally use digestive biscuits, or if you're in America, graham crackers. Ginger nuts are quite nice, or you can mix it up with chocolate digestives. I thought we'd do something even different.
Chocolate digestives?
Yes. Coconut biscuits. These are quite retro here in the UK. Coconut flavoured biscuits. So whatever one you want to use, that will be your crust and give it extra flavour. So we need, apparently, about 4 tablespoons of that. And we'll scoop 4 tablespoons of that. Grease the inside of the mug, the bottom and the side, so hopefully, because obviously this is a cheesecake, it's going to be quite tricky to get it out. So we are bottom and sides, okay? And that will help it as it cooks to just release it, because we have got to try and turn it out. Let it all get coated and it should thicken up, all right? And then we can tamp it down, okay? So it goes nice and compact every little bit, and that is going to be our cheesecake crust. Whisk your egg together. This is 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is 2 tablespoons of yogurt. You might need to use... Oh my gosh, she missed the bowl. That's cool. We have loads left.
Yeah, I don't really like yogurt. I don't like Philadelphia either, but I like cheesecake.
Philadelphia. Other brands are available, but yes, we are using... that is cream cheese or soft cheese. What's the matter?
Strong.
Okay, well you only need a little bit. That's vanilla extract. You can put in any flavouring you want. Lemon extract, strawberry extract, almond extract, peppermint extract.
I'm waiting for you to say stop.
Oh gosh, stop then. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, about 1/4 of a teaspoon. That's ideal, mate. Well done. Right, so I want to see you whisk that together carefully.
As smooth as a baby's bum.
So that is our batter that apparently we pour straight over this.
Right.
Yes. Look at that. I was a bit worried, but it is actually holding. Right, now we microwave it.
For?
A minute at first. Oh, perfect. Oh, don't get me. I don't want you to touch that because you've got child hands. Ooh, look.
Ooh.
You can see that it's started to cook. Now, that's right, it should be a little bit wobbly. Apparently we now do it for another minute, but on 20-second blast, all right? There we go. See, look how it's going to cool down. Yes. All right, timer's just gone. We let it stand for a couple of minutes. Oh, it's a bit wonky. It's certainly come away from the sides a bit, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's
You know what it reminds me of? Butterbeer.
Butterbeer, really?
Harry Potter.
We've made a Harry Potter cheesecake. We'll let it cool to room temperature for a bit. Then we've got to try and turn it out, which is going to be fun. So it's too warm right now. Let's see how it goes, all right? Just a little top tip I'm finding, folks, just while this is cooling down. This mug's still quite hot, but if I just turn the mug slightly, gravity is helping pulling away that middle filling. There you go. Hopefully you can just see it's just starting to come away a little bit. I don't want to do it too much because it could break. I just hope that the crust stays with it. I've got a spatula here, and we're just going to go for this. Look! It's like a creme brulee thing. We'll go like this.
That scared me.
That scared me too. I don't think I did that as neat as I could have. But look, it's a cheesecake. But apparently, if we eat it now, this is the official words of someone that sent me this recipe, it tastes horrendous. It does look like an omelette. But if we chill it, maybe dust it with some icing sugar, put some fruit on it, it should taste alright.
Put it in the fridge then.
Yeah. Alright, Picasso, you ready?
Yes.
Like Phoebe. Picasso. You're going to do a cinnamon roll in a mug, right?
Yes.
You've got to make the dough yourself. Okay. And we're going to stick, we've got quite a few of these see-through mugs. I think it's probably the best. Easy step first, icing. Icing sugar, aka confectioner's sugar. And you can use milk or water or anything you want.
Okay.
We've got milk.
Okay.
Only add a little trickle, okay? Whatever you do, don't add too much moisture, okay? Because you can slowly add it, alright? Yeah, that looks like it can pour a little bit. You can drink the rest of the milk because puts hair on your chest. Do you want some?
No.
Some hair on your chest? Alright. Next up, mate, a little bit of butter. Okay. Grease your mug. Remember, do the inside of the bottom. That sounds wrong. The dough, we've got plain flour. We've got some baking powder to help it rise. A little bit of salt and some water which we can add in. So basically, start chucking that all in there, mate, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna slowly add the water, okay? Do it a little bit at a time, and then you can bring this all together with your hands. This is a little preview of you making pizzas for me in the pizzeria, right? It's good practice. Look at that.
That was quite fun.
You need to do that more often. That was a sympathy laugh, folks. Don't know if you heard that.
Weirdo.
Oh, just shimmy down a little bit more flour. Get it nice and covered. There you go. So you want to make it into like one big long tongue, really, okay? As thin as you can. Awesome stuff. All right, Phoebes, what is that?
Cinnamon and sugar.
It is.
I love the smell of cinnamon.
You know what? I used to love the smell of cinnamon, but when I did the cinnamon challenge, honestly, I really don't like cinnamon that much now.
Oh, is that when you have to eat a tablespoon of it?
Tablespoon?
Or a teaspoon?
Teaspoon, mate. Oh, my eyes are watering, my eyes are watering. That's the most disgusting thing I've ever tasted, I must admit. Sprinkle that onto your big doughy tongue. That's it. Bring it in a fair bit. Right, and then just roll that up tightly. So that's holding the dough and the cinnamon in there together. Nice. Let's have a look at that. I like the cylinder sort of look of it. Wow. Okay, it's tipped to one side slightly. It might look a little bit warped, but 1 minute in there. If you have like a 1200 watt microwave, you might want to do it for like 40 seconds or something.
Hello there, it's Barry here, and I just want to say Phoebe's my favourite daughter.
It has cooked lovely, and the dough is still slightly, not firm, but just slightly soft. I'm really happy, are you?
Yes.
Well done, mate. We're going to add the icing, I think, at the end. There's one more microwave thing to do with your mother. Do you know, your daughter doesn't need a stool anymore.
Phoebe?
Yeah.
You are, yeah, she's as tall as
They're the
me
same
now.
height, look at you.
Yeah, I know.
Right, this is literally, you're the adult. And you got the easiest one.
Woohoo!
We are going to make Rice Krispie treats in a mug. And of course, Rice Krispie treats are made with Rice Krispies. You could use Cocoa Pops if you want to make chocolatey ones. These are some mini marshmallows, or you could just get standard marshmallows.
That's fair.
Yeah, that's cool. I don't think we should go any further.
No, because it might be like Marshmallow Man.
That's the most...
Oh my gosh, they're popping up!
Yes!
Oh! Didn't pick them up.
This didn't happen with the kids. What's going on? There you go.
Are you sure this is the simplest?
Yes.
Oh, they're all light and sticky, burning my fingers.
What are you doing? It's going to stick to my fingers. Ah! All right. So in there somewhere is the butter at the bottom. It's not fully melted, but we want to mingle this all together. So we might need... Oh, this is lush. Look at this.
Do you think we should add more marshmallows? Or not? Will that just...
That wasn't a question, folks. That was a polite Mrs. B on camera saying, do you think we should... If that was off camera, I'd be like, right, shoving them in. What are you doing?
It's like the giant cola bottle all over again.
It is, mate.
There we go.
Actually, during that Coke video, like, some of the comments, people were like, Mrs. B has got the patience of a saint.
Oh, really?
Oh. This is a cry for help hidden in a YouTube video. Honestly,
It's all sticking again.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
I'm really sorry about this, but your mum's having trouble with mug cake. Any tips for her?
Try harder.
Try harder? Yeah? Just chill. I'm just gonna let you do your thing.
I blast it for a few seconds.
Yeah.
All of that is now hardly anything.
Oh wow, look at that. But to be honest, that is a lot for Rice Krispies.
Okay.
So we've got a whole jug of them here.
Right.
And stir like crazy and get them coated. And that will form your Rice Krispie treat in the mug. Hacking it up like that. See? And it'll bond. You can see it happening already. You just gotta work with it.
Ugh. Hot on my fingers. This is horrible. It's all sticking to me. Just look at me.
And he said you had the easiest.
Yeah, I know.
Meanwhile, need to get your youngest daughter off of a Nintendo Switch to decorate icing sugar on her cheesecake? There's a gadget for that. Chloe! This, Chloe. Alright, Miss.
I've gone for the decorative look of Rice Krispies around the edge of
Looks
the mug.
brilliant. Brilliant. This is an amazing gadget that dusts icing sugar onto cheesecakes that you've made. There you go. Look at that. Not too much. Stop. Desserts in the pizzeria will be microwave cheesecake, microwave cinnamon rolls, and Mrs. Barry's special, the microwave Rice Krispie treat.
Oh my gosh.
Pour it on the top. There you go. Is that cool?
That looks so cool. That is yummy.
Wow.
That's really nice.
I think we might have slightly overdone it by like 10 seconds. It's a little bit more chewy. But if you do it any more than that, it could probably get quite tough. Well, that's good.
I like it.
I like that.
That's good, yeah.
Well done, Phoebes.
Oh my gosh, there we go. Right guys, you dig in.
That's nice.
That's really good.
That is yummy.
Let's try the cheesecake. Let's cut into it here, Chloe. Let's just see if we get that cheesecake vibe. All right, that came off quite nice.
I know.
Eggy.
That's eggy.
Yeah.
Kind of like...
The biscuit base is soft.
Yeah.
Like a sweet omelette.
I was just going to say that, yeah.
If you had to have it airplane food, like if someone gave it, you know, airplane food's a bit weird sometimes, like I would eat it. But yeah. Hey ho, all done. Thanks so much for watching. We've done lots of mug recipes here on the channel. Done some free ingredient ones as well. Want to check them out, Ever Inspiration. These were all submitted by followers, so thank you so much. If you do have any ideas, message me on social media or the website. And don't forget to subscribe for regular videos. Smash that button, yeah? Smash it. See you next time. Bye, 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 bye.
Check your level, player. No matter what your style, the kitchen's for me. Simon's moustache, goatee, maybe all three.
I'm showing you this on your 18th birthday. You realise this? All the footage I have.